Hey people, today we are going to see data types in Python. Python can process a lot of intensive data and computational operations. Python is built in such a way that anyone can work on data and its several varieties with a lot of ease, thanks to its data types. Before diving into data types, I want to tell you an important thing. These data types are valid for Python version 3 and so on. So if you're using Python version 2, I highly recommend you to go for Python 3 and so on. If you're from future, go for the latest version. Okay, let's get back to the business. Whatever you are seeing on the screen are built-in data types in Python. You can pause this video and check them out. I have classified the data types according to generic classification. These categories are numerical, text, sequence, mapping, set, boolean, and binary. And trust me, this is the best and simplest classification you can get when it comes to built-in data types. We are going to learn about these data types in more depth. So for more amazing lessons, stick together.